Hello. Today we will look at updating the mod to a newer version of base game. In the case of update 3 to update 4, we also need to rename finished and unfinished. It has changed how the format is in the beginning. This also affects any animated parts. Look up the update notes for see how it changes or check other mods. Now we want to update TimberAPI that we build our mods on, and we want to remove some stuff also. So inside assets, packages, we have a Timberborn folder that we want to remove. Inside Weapon-X, we will find a plugins folder with TimberAPI. We want to remove that and download the latest from mod.io. And copy in the TimberAPI. So what we now have done is part of this to update TimberAPI. And what we want to do now is do the ThunderKit import steps. So it's this. I have already changed it to the new version of the game. How I found it was by looking at what version the base game uses. And then download it like first time from Unity Hub. After installing TimberAPI, you need to restart the Unity Explorer, and it will give an error about safe mode, and that is the correct thing that it should do. So press exit anyway. If we look at the prefab, you will see that it's missing the scripts, so we need to do the import. So you can uncheck show at startup. And you will see that all the components have been shown now. And we have no plugin error here. And let's try to launch. include a test save for Folktale as a start. And we have our storage box. And we can try and place it and see that it can be placed. Perfect. See you. Sometimes you may need to do a clean build. This is when you get some weird errors or stuff like that. If you show the project folder and go into ThunderKit and the staging. Here you want to remove the mod folder. That way we are sure that it will download or do a complete build next time. We can also use the new thing called Meshy that came with update 4. To use it, we create a new construction box site 2x2, and then we want to have the same components as in seen on a current object in base game. So in this case, it's a lodge that is 2x2. Add a collider. A mesh describer. We copy that link, paste it, and we set the size of the collision. The collision is for selecting. So what you can click on to be able to select the building. Go, and we can remove the pillars and the box and execute. Okay, this launch will fail, and that can happen sometimes with newer Unity versions, that it loses the object. Either drag in the object again to the asset bundle, or you can do a folder, prefabs, and you place your storage box inside that, and drag in the prefabs folder instead. Restart the game. And now we have a nice looking construction site. See you.